Are you tired of hearing you need to learn a dozen new skills just to make a decent living? What if I told you that one skill you already have, right now, could be your ticket to financial freedom? No, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about working smarter, not harder. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to transform that one single talent into multiple streams of income. So, what's your one thing? Maybe you're a killer graphic designer, a fantastic writer, a coding wizard, or you can bake a cake that makes people weak in the knees. Whatever it is, that's your golden goose. The mistake most people make is that they only see one way to monetize it. A writer writes for a client. A baker sells a cake. But we're going to break out of that one-to-one thinking. Let's call this the skill stack method. We're going to take your core skill and build layers of income on top of it. Let's use writing as our example. But remember, this applies to literally any skill. The first and most obvious income stream is direct service. This is your bread and butter. You write articles, web copy, or social media posts for clients. You trade your time and skill for money. It's reliable, but it's limited. There are only so many hours in a day, right? This is where most people stop, but this is where our journey just begins. Now, let's add our second income stream. Creating a digital product. You're already an expert writer. You know what works and what doesn't. Why not package that knowledge? You could create an ebook called The Ultimate Guide to SEO Writing or 50 fill in the blank. Blog post. Templates. You create it once, and you can sell it 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times. It sells while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're working with your high-paying service clients. See how we're starting to leverage our time? Okay, stream number 3. Online courses or workshops. This is a step up from an ebook. People will pay a premium for a more structured, interactive learning experience. You can create a video course on a platform like Teachable or Udemy. You could host a live, paid workshop on Zoom where you teach a small group how to write compelling ad copy. You're not just selling information anymore. You're selling transformation. And the price point for a course is way higher than for an ebook. But wait, there's more. Income stream number 4. Affiliate marketing. As you build your reputation as an expert, you'll naturally use certain tools. Maybe it's a specific grammar checker or a project management software. You can recommend these tools to your audience, and when they sign up using your link, you get a commission. It costs them nothing extra, but it creates another passive income stream for you. Ready for number 5? Let's talk about consulting or coaching. This is your premium, high-ticket offer. People won't just want your skills, they'll want your brain. You can offer one-on-one sessions or monthly retainers for a significant price. This is where you leverage your expertise for maximum income. So there you have it. 5 powerful income streams, all from one single skill. Stream 4. Become an affiliate for your favorite protein powders, workout gear, or home gym equipment. Stream 5. Offer premium one-on-one health and lifestyle coaching for busy executives. See the pattern? It works for any skill. Graphic design, sell design services, logo templates, a course on Canva. Promote your favorite stock photo site, and consult on brand identity. Baking, sell custom cakes. A recipe, book a sourdough starter course. Be an affiliate for your favorite stand mixer, and consult for new bakeries. The key is to start with what you're already doing, and then ask yourself, how can I package this differently? How can I teach it? How can I productize it? How can I consult on it? Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds like a lot of work. And yes, it takes effort to set up. You have to build the course, write the ebook, and create the content. But remember, you're building assets. Assets that work for you even when you're not actively working. Imagine a month where maybe you don't have many service clients. In the old model, that's a month with no income. Stressful, right? But in our new model, you're still making sales from your ebook. Your course is still enrolling students. Your affiliate links are still generating commissions. You've built a safety net. You've built true financial resilience. So what's your first step? It's simple. Identify your number 1 skill, the one people compliment you on, the one you enjoy doing. Then, pick just one of these additional streams to explore. Don't try to do everything at once. Maybe start with the easiest one for you, like creating a simple digital product or finding an affiliate program for a tool you already use daily. But by leveraging a single skill in multiple ways, you're not just making more money. You're building a diversified, stable, and scalable business around what you do best. You're creating freedom. So, what's your skill? And which income stream will you build first? If this video sparked an idea for you, give it a like and subscribe for more ways to turn your passions into profit. See you in the next one.